Good morning, student. Sixth semester BSc Honors. Today's topic is also convergence in random variable, which is the continuation of our last online teaching class. You know that in our last class we have discussed about the concept and definitions of convergence of random variable, and also we have discussed types of convergence of random variable, which is convergence in probability. In today's class, let us discuss two more convergence type. The first one is convergence almost surely. Definition is given here. A sequence of random variable xn is said to converge to a random variable x almost surely, in shortly written as a full stop s, denoted by xn tends to x as, which is the representation of almost surely, if xn with respect to omega tends to x omega for all omega except those belonging to a null set n. Thus, symbolically, xn tends to x almost surely if and only if xn with respect to omega converges to random variable x with respect to omega, which is finite almost surely for all the omega belongs to complement of n, where this bn is equal to 0. Sigi definition se kitang explain tawjage. Definition di akoina paakre sida ibiri mi se do explain tawjage. Akoi hoji haise kai tawrage hada sequence of random variable ma laireba ko. Hariba sequence of random variable se almost surely convergence to with random variable ma da habene. Adu symbolically xn tends to x harga arrow gi mathakta over the arrow a full stop s haise e habdi sina represent tawrise almost surely na habni ko. Si high ni kan kan da high ga no high matamda if and only if xn with respect to omega converts to random variable x with respect to omega, which is finite. Then this is the for all omega se kana de yaw do no ha matam da akoi gi sample space da yaw go da bani adubu magi exception ama lai kana no ha da except belonging to n habdi koi null space to ko null space idea koi ki probability da sample space da harak taragadi impossible event ai do hai duni aduna masigi symbol se kana na so hagi baya ge matanda omega belonging to complement of l and high complement hai di n da yaw da ba hai bani dana chap mane na sigi except belonging to n hai siga chap mane na sin min tawrise. Then n habisi ko impossible event na sida so koina magi probability of impossible event sida ko 0 ne khange aduna where pn equal to 0 habisi min tawrine. So now this is the condition for the convergence of almost surely hai duni ko sa silare. Then adui matung da koina si definition si khanga point ama note to yai point dudi kaino sida su iraga pire koina. In this case, the set of convergence has probability unity. Kai hare sida koi set of convergence aina mama koi last class da high grade set of convergence ki definition ga pi dana ko adu there was set of convergence hai sigi probability lor kanda 1 type masi kan kanda tabano koi gi sequence na almost surely convergence lor kanda magi set of convergence ki probability lor kanda 1 type aduga hainingi di kaino hai matamda sigi akoina note ta phangiba point se masigi point se akoina karumba sequence ama almost surely convergence oi and utlu hai matamda ne masi akoina sufficient condition amoina sijinaraga haibidi convergence points sigi set se one ne na so tok tar boy de akoina immediately we can conclude that the sequence converges almost surely in haibia ne ko aduna masi akona condition ama oina sijina ba yare. Okay, mathang da di akoi gi last type of convergence habdi convergence in arrangement ko convergence in arrangement se amu yengasi magi definition sida pire kahena hare a sequence of random variable xn is said to converge to a random variable x in the arith mean denoted by xn tends to x r if the expectation of the difference of the absolute of xn and x to the power r tends to 0 as n tends to infinity have a the definition se piraga lere habidi si su explain to ge hai tar ding asai the minus sequence xn am lere ni sequence xn si handakti kai hai ba arith mean the converse to hai ni symbolically khoi gi arith mean do khangna bai damak ta arrow gi mathak over the arrow r by small r sisina gani sina indicate tawrise sequence x the r mean the converse to we hai ni ko random variable x the r mean the converse to ni hai ni masi hai ge hai tari kari condition satisfy to gadagi hai ni ko kari condition satisfy to gadagi hai matam dadi handakti expectation of xn minus x to the power r se tends to 0 is n tends to infinity eba condition satisfy to gadam ne ko okay hoji akoi khange this is the definitions of the convergences arith mean na hoji akoina point habidi atopa sidagi atopa convergence ani gi maming panbe ai madu kan da pan gadage da r gi value sigi matung ina ko r sigi value simida akoina for r is equal to 2 ko akoi gi definition sida r gi value sina kai gumba 2 oirma ba 2 oiram tar boidi ko convergence bo koina kai haigadage da quadratic convergence or mean square convergence and haiba convergence gi maming kai haiba hoji quadratic convergence or mean square convergence and haiba mean square convergence okay next another type is coming when r is equal to 1 r sina 1 or kandadi atopa maming amamu pire maming tuna kai kauge heda first mean convergence and have a first mean convergence okay aduna koina hoji arith mean convergence sidagi r gi value 2 oibadama r 1 oibadama koina atopa makhanani gi convergence ani masu define to banga mani ba ko okay mathang sidi koina hoji type ahum tamkiba habidi convergence in probability convergence in almost surely next convergence is arith mean haiba ahum se ko properties khara naina ba yai sigi mamang da ina arith mean ga mari leina ba result ama khatang proof tawrang ge ko adudi akoi gi lemma sina piri lemma sida hai si kai haino habitunda if xn converges to x in arith mean r hai se in arith mean hai ni then expectation of xn to the power r tends to expectation of x to the power r hai ne ko si su koina explain to ge hai ta di statements na hai se random variable sequence xn abam le ko masi se koina arith mean da such that converse to rame hai bedi xn tends to x in arith mean sima pirame ko adu oi tar boy di koina kari conclude to gamge the expectation of xn to the power r tends to expectation of x to the power r ko akoi arith mo menga gani ko aduna masi se koina derive to banga me habene yengsi masi gi proof se kamai to na koina proof to ge do ko okay adudi koina given the pyramid se kai no given the pyramid se xn se x the converse to we have simne ko akoi gi given part the pyramid se xn converse to x have ne ko immediately ngai gi definition du matung ina koina khange kai hano nga sai expectation masigi ase r dani r mean ko adui tar boy di r mean gi convergence ki condition du matung ina expectation of xn minus x to the power r tends to 0 as n tends to infinity definition tu katani ko sijinai se sida adagidi koina pami duna kari koina tongdu sina kano to prove expectation of xn to the power r tends to expectation of x to the power r hai sine ba phai target se ko Okay, proof is a Thursday. Proof is Pumatam the Quina case any lower according to the value of R. The case 1 is for when R less than equal to 1. R की value से ना less than equal to 1 हो भी case इधर कोई ना result से फंग बड़े हैं ऐसे को मसी की मतांग से इधर कोई ना a well known CR inequality कोई ना moment inequality द तम करे CR inequality नो निशंग से जिन्ना से को CR inequality ना कई है कि then expectation of x plus y to the power r is less than equal to CR times of expectation of x to the power r plus CR times of expectation y to the power r, where constant CR is equal to 1 if this r less than equal to 1 and CR is again 2 to the power r minus 1 if r greater than 1 si kana sunate si akoi CR inequality na piba statement du ni ko hoji akoi masi sejinare masi sejina dore then another thing is akoi case sida di akoi first case sida di r se less than equal to 1 aire adu di r sina less than equal to 1 oi matam da di akoi gi CR gi value si 1 hai havni na akoi CR inequality gi form se kamai lor ka da ge da expectation of x plus y to the power r less than equal to CR से 1 or any को aduna I half the 1 or any na ko expectation of y to the power r and it's later. Okay, so they get in next step the replacing x with xn minus x and y with x ko we get habidi koina x CR inequality te yauriba x and y se simhota x tana xn minus x lore aduga y na xn lore ba adudi koi kai phange left side ta phang adu se expectation of x ki mota di xn minus x lakrani then plus y have ni y du na koina x and haire ko okay left side ta si ore right side ta di expectation of x a xn minus x la ani plus y से ना x आया निको सिगी स्टेप से लाई को सिगी स्टेप से दा कोई ना लेफ्ट साइड चेंगो लेफ्ट साइड से दा माइनस x है मंगा प्लस x है मंगा ले रहे अनि से कैंसिल सका कांडा दी कोई की लेफ्ट साइड की फॉर्म से कई लाख तक के द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ xn to the power r से ले को then right side as it is मांगा साले की दो expectation of xn minus x to the power r plus expectation of x to the power r ले सिले को सिदा कुछ right side की last term से फिर left side transfer टोरो से अदुरे expectation of xn to the power r minus expectation of x to the power r ले then right side तदी कोई term xn minus x to the power r सिगी स्टंग ले हो रहे को अमुक ये वो कोई किसी की right side ते लेबर value से सिदी कनानो हाई मतलब दंगा से कोई ना given part फंगी बसी value से लेबा हाई बदी convergence are mean की condition दुने बको अदुन हाई बदी कोई ना मसी से कई डरने tends to 0 और नहीं as n tends to infinity और मतलब दको right side चना n as n tends to infinity the 0 और नहीं ना को left side चीज़ू tends to 0 और नहीं बको that is expectation of xn to the power r tends to expectation of x to the power r ला ने बको सिदी अकोई ना पाम result तो तारे अदुदी कोई क्या है ना conclude तो मैं अकोई की case 1 r less than equal to 1 में तम द result से फंगे हैं ने बको और जी अकोई next case वाली next case तो दी second case ओइना हायर ने second case तो दी कनाव है ने r greater than 1 ऐसे होने को r greater than 1 की case ये ngase सिगी case तो दी अकोई ना हाना तम की बा Minkowski inequalities for momento adu sijina se adu di by Minkowski inequality kai ohimna khoi do r expectation of x plus y to the power r less than equal to rth expectation of x to the power r plus rth expectation of y to the power r for r greater than 1 hainiko si akoi ki Minkowski inequality tamkhibaduni sidai sida ngasai gi dumaina replacing x by xn minus x and y by x adudi we get gap hangasi ngasai gi dumaina say rth expectation x a xn minus 1 xn minus x oirni y china x oirani right side tasu x a xn minus x y x oina leirani ko si phangai khoji minus x ka plus x ka cancel sakrani left side ta rth expectation of xn lere right side as it is rth expectation of xn minus x to power r plus rth expectation of x to power r na ko slide chamana ba mamang da tokhib du ko zamana na sigi last term se left side ta porasi rth expectation of xn minus rth expectation of x and I think r hapa all sorry slide less than equal to xn minus slide sigi right side say given condition du matung ina kai ore tends to 0 is and tends to infinity ore right side tends to 0 and then left side to tends to 0 ore ni ko adagi akoina phangdu se that is rth moment sorry rth expectation of xn to the power r tends to rth expectation of x to the power r sila ko sidagi mo koina kai ta bangi si rth power sing je lokthok kan da ko akoina expectation of xn to the power r tends to expectation of x to the power r na ko masigi result se phange ba ko si akhoi gi apamba result ne required result ne adudi case animak ta akoina expectation of x to power r tends to expectation x to power r x to power r hai se phange ba khoi hoji ko aduna this completes that proof hoji akhoi gi lemma se proof to blore masigi lemma se lor matung dagi di mathang gi step ta aina hainingi se akhoi gi tamkhiba sequence makan ahum do sequence makan ahum dugi moi ahum si marak ta kari relationship legi habdo aina remarks sida pire ko remarks ahum ni ahan ba remarks ta pi se convergence in rth mean is stronger convergence in probability hai ko ahan ba remarks se munna yengsi id rth mean gi convergence se masina stronger oi habni kana dagi convergence in probability dagi ko masi se atopa ma da khoina hai ta di kari gumba sequence na arrangement the converse term tar boy de automatically ma se convergence in probability so oine have never ko masi khoina symbolically itho sine xn converse to x arrangement ko stronger oi demand implies to have ni kanano xn converse to x in probability never ko sima ki statement sine ko hari se stronger oi de rth convergence so imta the automatically ma se convergence in probability or ni have ni ko now this is the first relation adagi mathangi anishuba da haisina convergence in rth mean is neither implied by nor implies convergence almost surely sina rth mean ka almost surely ka gi relation sine adubu sida haishidi yengo rth mean say is neither implied by nor implies convergence almost surely abidi akoi gi convergence in rth means say convergence almost surely is na implied by to de have ni or adagi manasu almost surely say implies to de ba si implies amni na to de this my ka ani dana aduga convergence almost surely sineba adai atopa mana almost surely nis ne rth means implied to de have ne ko sigi statement sine हाइसे को आरेट मीन ओइरबोइदी ऑलमोस्ट श्योरली ओइनी हाइब लेट्रे ओइरोर कइसो हाइबनी मा हाइसे अदगी ऑलमोस्ट श्योरली ओइदार बोइदी आरेट मीन ओइनी हाइनी ngai लेते सिसु ओइरो हाइबनेबा अदुइदी समना हाइबदा आरेट मीन गा ऑलमोस्ट श्योरली मीन गा अनि सी रिलेशन लेट्रे हाइबनेबा को सिना अनि सुबा खोइगी रिलेशनशिप ने लास्ट रिलेशनशिप तना करी हाइ convergence in almost surely implies convergence in probability have ko sisu koina symbolically ithok tar di ko this is 1 this is 2 symbolically ithok ke hai tar di kai dor convergence in almost surely ko implies to we have ni convergence in probability se ko si have ne ba ko almost surely sin oitar boy di masa mathanda adum automatically convergence in probability so oije havni sidi amaram hiding asagi aham bigi statement gi type ta almost surely se is stronger than probability havne ko aduna kai haiga basna convergence in almost surely is stronger than convergence in probability convergence in probability habisne ko sigi last ki statement hai aduna sigi point ahum se machina piri se khoi gi relationship between the three convergence habine ko aduna ngasigi class te sibok torasi sidai sida koina mamang class ka ngasigi class ga pula punchalaga convergence in random variable gi khangba ya ba loina ma pudina te duisu noida idea khara di khangba ngam gani ne expect tawi ko aduna thank you stay safe and stay home